No, go put it at the top there.
Oh yeah, happy for us to take photos.
Yes, sure.
Good. Yeah, put your socks and shoes in your bag, okay?
It's like they're really gonna enjoy.
Right up.
Hey,
Do that with your pants.
you want to stay?
Yes.
Don't worry, we'll still come. We'll come here, you will come tomorrow. We'll come tomorrow.
Where?
You're big, you're gonna come tomorrow.
Why?
Do you want to stay? You
Yes.
can stay if you want.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Yeah, please. I'm so sad.
Then.
Yeah. I'm putting my shoes
Put your
on.
socks and shoes
I shall come. It's kids. Come on, you blood up to me.
What's your name? Sorry? Ansel.
Yeah, answer.
No problem. Yeah, just let me stay.
I should look at you. Can you imagine? Oh, God.
Roll your pants up like that.
I said, roll your trousers up. Your trousers. Roll it up. Up, up, up. Yeah. I'll see you guys when I see you. Yeah? You stay blessed. Oh, man. Hi guys, it's a busy day at the beach side today. I've just dropped my keys and I'm off. First summer break, like, yeah, first summer break. I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye.